Today's video topic is OOPS concept in Java. In this page, we will learn about the basics of OOPS. Object-oriented programming is a paradigm that provides many concepts such as inheritance, data binding, polymorphism, etc. Simula is considered the first object-oriented programming language. The programming paradigm where everything is represented as an object is known as a truly object-oriented language. Smalltalk is considered the first truly object-oriented language. The popular object-oriented languages are Java, C, Hash, PHP, Python, C++, etc. The main aim of Java, the main aim of object-oriented programming is to implement real-world entities, for example, object, classes, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, etc. Object means a real world entity such as pen, chair, table, computer, etc. Class collection of objects is called class. It is a logical entity. A class can also be defined as a blueprint from which you can create an individual object. Class doesn't consume any space. Inheritance, which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. It is known as inheritance. It provides code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. If one task is performed in different ways, it is known as a polymorphism. For example, to convince the customer differently to draw something, for example, shape, triangle, rectangle, etc. In Java, we use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. Abstraction. Hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. For example, fold call. We don't know the internal processing. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. Encapsulation. Binding or wrapping code and data together into a single unit are known as encapsulation. For example, a capsule, it is wrapped with different medicines. Thank you.